Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I wanted to share with you my 2018 fall living room home tour. So I hope you enjoy, but before we get started, I just wanted to point out a few things to you. Okay guys, so the first thing I just wanted to share with you and point out is that you will probably notice that my sofa and my matching chair are not in my living room anymore. And that is because we decided to go ahead and sell it since our home is for sale. And trying to sell the bigger items right now that will be hard to move. And so we just rearranged the furniture that we already had in our living room. So I already had these two chairs, and so we've just rearranged the living room a little bit, like I said. And you guys are familiar with this chair. I did a DIY project a little while back, and so that is that. And then I wanted to tell you that we already had this white soft chair, but we've just moved it in our living room because we had it in a different area of our home. So you may recognize this as being a newer piece, but we just rearranged it, like I said, and took it from a different room in our house. And then the little buffalo checked footstool here is also from a different room in our house. I already had that. I shared that in a haul a while back from Kirkland's. And so just moved that out here. It used to be, I had it in our bedroom previously. So I think that's the main changes. This is also a new piece here that you may not recognize because it is newer. So that's a new addition to our living room since my last fall home tour. And I think that's all pretty much that I need to point out. If you guys have any questions for me, just leave your questions in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer those questions for you. So without further ado, oh, I also wanted to mention that I forgot to mention that we had sold our kitchen island as well in our kitchen. I forgot to mention that in our my kitchen home tour. So just wanted to mention that because it was not here in the home when we purchased it. We actually put it in our kitchen for our own use because we wanted one, and it was on wheels. So we ended up selling that just to make the kitchen feel and look bigger to buyers. Okay, enough of me blabbering on. Without further ado, I hope you guys will enjoy the tour of our living room.